When it comes to upgrading your home in Murray, custom windows offer a combination of functionality, style, and long-term value that off-the-shelf options can't match. Whether your goal is improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, or a better fit for your unique space, custom windows can transform both the look and feel of your home. Perfect fit for your home's architecture. One of the most significant advantages of custom windows is that they are designed specifically for your home's dimensions and style. Unlike standard windows, which often require adjustments to your wall openings, custom windows fit precisely, eliminating gaps, reducing installation complications, and creating a seamless look. This means homeowners in Murray can maintain their property's original charm, whether it's a historic home that needs a specific frame style or a modern build requiring sleek, minimalist designs. Enhanced energy efficiency. Custom windows give you control over the materials, glass type, and insulation features, which can have a major impact on your home's energy efficiency. By opting for double or triple pane glass with low E coatings and argon gas fills, you can significantly reduce heat loss in the winter and block excess heat in the summer. Given Murray's seasonal changes, this can help keep indoor temperatures stable year-round, lowering your HVAC usage and reducing monthly utility costs. Improved home comfort. Because custom windows are made to exact specifications, they create a tighter seal than mass-produced alternatives. This reduces drafts, blocks noise pollution, and helps regulate indoor climate more effectively. For busy neighborhoods or homes near traffic, selecting sound-reducing glass can make your living spaces noticeably quieter and more relaxing. Endless design options. With custom windows, you have the freedom to choose from a wide variety of frame materials, wood, fiberglass, vinyl, aluminum, colors and finishes that complement your home's exterior and interior decor. For glass styles, including tinted, frosted, or decorative pattern shapes and sizes to create unique architectural focal points. This level of personalization allows you to achieve a look that enhances curb appeal while reflecting your personal taste. Long-term durability and value. Because they're built with higher quality materials and precision craftsmanship, custom windows tend to last longer than standard options. Many come with extended warranties, offering peace of mind and protecting your investment. Plus, replacing old, inefficient windows with custom, energy-efficient designs can increase your home's resale value, making it more attractive to future buyers in Murray's competitive real estate market. Increased natural light and views. By customizing the size and placement of your windows, you can maximize natural light in your home while framing beautiful outdoor views. Larger or strategically placed windows can make rooms feel more open and inviting, while specialty glass can ensure privacy without sacrificing brightness. Final thoughts. Installing custom windows in your Murray home isn't just about upgrading a functional feature. It's about enhancing comfort, efficiency, and style in a way that suits your unique property. From precise fitting and energy savings to design flexibility and lasting durability, the benefits are hard to beat. If you're considering this upgrade, Work with a trusted local window specialist who understands Murray's climate and can recommend the best materials and designs for your needs.